in the written diary material.
Hold on for a second again. What's your name?
Bying, B-I-A-N-G.
B-I-N-G. And you said that you talked
to you last week.
You talked to me last week, and we talked, and you told me that you spoke to Ken LaRue.
And I told you that I would speak to him. I spoke to him today. He told me that all of the evidence was turned over to your public defender.
Well, see, the public defender told me that he never got it. Now,
well,
I don't know
what to tell you. If not, then it was destroyed.
So you're telling me that the Waukegan Public Defender's Office has my material?
That's what Ken LaRue told me. All of it was turned over to your attorney in that thing. What was his name, Bailey?
Yeah, Mr. Bailey is my attorney. Now, what he turned... well, I sent y'all some stuff from the Department of Justice asking for an investigation because what I did is a whistleblower. While I was in jail, my rights were denied. I was beaten while I was in jail. I was denied food. And I tried to bring charges against the jail, and your office didn't do anything about it. This was coerced.
How long ago was that? How long ago was that?
This was in 2008. Matter of fact, I got a letter from President Obama on May the 8th, 2008, telling them to initiate an investigation. I was the subject of the investigation. Now, my Department of Justice number, I sent y'all some information over a month ago, and the Department of Justice gave me an ID number, and the ID number is 2911907. And I'm currently talking directly to the office of Ronald Davis of the Department of Justice. He's an underling of Eric Holder. Now, the things that you're telling me, I need y'all to tell that on paper or something, because everybody just telling me this on phone and y'all won't answer my stuff on paper. And I've been mailing your office continuously for the last 5 years. I don't want...
You've been mailing?
I have been mailing material to your office, requesting the information, requesting minutes from the grand jury, because Benny Starks and me was locked up together. I've been doing this documentary and movie since me and Benny Starks was locked up in 1986. The same issue that I have here now with my material missing in 2007 had the same issue in 1986. On January the 31st, I went in front of Judge Rossetti and asked for my material from the 1986 case. All right? Y'all charged me with a terrorist activity and had me locked up for a bomb threat on that day because somebody from Highland Park called the Lake County building and said there was a bomb there. I was in front of Judge Rossetti's at that time when the bomb threat came in, but y'all had me locked up, held for questioning on January 31st. I went to the Department of Justice on February the 1st and reported this to the Chicago office of the
What year was that?
2007.
Oh, okay.
All right. This was for an 86 case, and I came to get the material because, like I said, I was making a movie about y'all, and the movie was about the jail system and the corruption going on in the courts. It was about Judge Boris, Judge Hall, Judge Rossetti, Judge Foreman. It was about Mr. Waller. It was how y'all was locking up people like Benny Starks and Juan Revere. I documented it. I got it all on film. So what I need from y'all is the material that I mailed to you. Mr. Waller's office and Mr. LaRue had material that I'm...
He's talking about the stuff that was used for some kind of trial.
Yeah, I didn't never get a trial. Y'all held me there indefinitely. You refused to give me a trial.
I heard you pled guilty.
I pled guilty because I pled guilty on June the 3rd, and I took back my guilty plea on June the 8th. As soon as I got back to bar... No, I did have a right to take it back. I had 14 days to take it back, and my lawyer told me that. My lawyer told me that. So I looked it up, and I filed the proper paperwork, and my lawyer didn't do anything about it. So I was supposed to come back and go to... I was supposed to go back to court, and I refused to come back to court. It's all on record. It's all written down in my interstate compact. All right. Long story short.
Well, there's nothing I can do for you with this stuff because we don't have it.
You don't have it.
We don't have it.
Well, how do I file a false imprisonment charge with your office to exonerate me? How do I go about that? Because y'all said that y'all want to clean up the state's attorney's office, and the same way that y'all did Benny Stark's case, you need to do my case the same way.
Well.
So how do I go about
you would have to have your representative, your attorney, talk to Mr. Nierheim.
Well,
That's the only way
I got a right to represent myself as an indigent. in self-representation. So I'm doing it as a self-representation. I need Mr. Nurham to review my case and bring up my case, the same way that you did Benny Starks. I asked for a trial. I was refused and denied a trial. And like I said, the Department of Justice needs to know this. So what do I do about that? How do I go about that?
You can have the Department of Justice contact Ken LaRue.
Have the Department of Justice contact Ken LaRue?
Yeah.
I'll do that. Thank you very much. Your name again for records?
I gave it to you 3 times. B-I-A-N-G.
Thank you. Have a good day.